Hello, little explorers! Welcome to Dino Learning Adventure. Get ready for a super exciting journey into the world of dinosaurs. We have amazing pictures and cool stories to make learning fun. Today, we'll discover veggie-eating dinos, meat-eating dinos, and bird-type dinos. Are you excited? Let's jump into the Dino Fun together and learn lots of cool things about these awesome creatures. Albertosaurus, a late Cretaceous dinosaur, resembled a smaller version of Tyrannosaurus rex with short arms. Weighing around 2 tons, it lived in North America. This carnivorous predator likely hunted large herbivores. Albertosaurus, with its ferocious nature, roamed the Earth around 70 million years ago, contributing to the prehistoric food chain. Anchiornis, a small dinosaur from the late Jurassic, had feathers covering its body. Weighing around 2 pounds, it lived in what is now China. This omnivorous creature likely ate small animals and plants. Anchiornis, with its bird-like features, existed around 160 million years ago, contributing to early dinosaur diversity. Ankylosaurus, a tank-like dinosaur, lived in North America around 68 million years ago. Weighing about 4 tons, it had a bony tail club for defense. Ankylosaurus was a gentle herbivore, grazing on low plants. It coexisted with other dinosaurs during the late Cretaceous period, adding diversity to prehistoric landscapes. Baryonyx, a dinosaur from the early Cretaceous, had a crocodile-like snout and lived near rivers. Weighing around 2 tons, it inhabited Europe. This carnivorous hunter likely fed on fish and small prey. Baryonyx, with its specialized adaptations, roamed the Earth around 130 million years ago, contributing to prehistoric ecosystems. Brachiosaurus, a huge dinosaur that had a long neck and tail, lived in North America around 150 million years ago. Weighing about 50 tons, it was a gentle giant, eating plants high in the trees. Brachiosaurus peacefully coexisted with other dinosaurs during the Jurassic period, shaping the ancient landscapes. Carnotaurus, a late Cretaceous dinosaur, had a distinctive horned head and short arms. Weighing around 1.5 tons, it lived in South America. This carnivorous predator likely hunted smaller dinosaurs. Carnotaurus, with its fearsome appearance, existed around 72 to 69 million years ago, contributing to the diverse prehistoric ecosystems. Ceratosaurus, a late Jurassic dinosaur, had a horn on its snout and bony plates along its back. Weighing around 1 ton, it lived in North America and Africa. This carnivorous predator likely hunted herbivores. Ceratosaurus, though fierce, existed around 150 million years ago, contributing to the prehistoric world's diversity. Corythosaurus, a dinosaur from the late Cretaceous, resembled a duck-billed creature with a unique helmet-like crest. Weighing around 5,000 pounds, it thrived in North America. This herbivore preferred coastal areas and lived peacefully, using its crest for communication. Corythosaurus contributed to the diverse prehistoric landscape millions of years ago. Deinonychus, a dinosaur from the early Cretaceous, had a sleek body and sharp claws. Weighing around 150 pounds, it lived in North America. This carnivorous predator likely hunted small to medium-sized prey. Deinonychus, with its ferocious nature, roamed the Earth around 115 million years ago, contributing to the ancient ecosystems. Dilophosaurus, a dinosaur from the early Jurassic, had a double-crested head and a slender build. Weighing around 1,000 pounds, it lived in North America. This carnivorous hunter likely preyed on smaller animals. Dilophosaurus, though not as portrayed in some media, existed around 193 to 190 million years ago, adding to early dinosaur diversity. Dryosaurus, a dinosaur from the late Jurassic, was a small, agile herbivore. Weighing around 200 pounds, it had a slender body and long legs. Inhabiting woodlands, Dryosaurus fed on plants. This gentle creature lived peacefully, contributing to the ancient ecosystems around 150 million years ago. Edmontosaurus, a duck-billed dinosaur, lived in North America around 73 million years ago. Weighing about 4 tons, it was a gentle herbivore, munching on plants with its flat beak. Edmontosaurus roamed in diverse habitats, including plains and forests, during the late Cretaceous period, contributing to prehistoric biodiversity. Giganotosaurus, a late Cretaceous dinosaur, had a large skull and sharp teeth. Weighing around 8 tons, it lived in South America. This carnivorous giant likely hunted large herbivores. Giganotosaurus, with its ferocious nature, roamed the Earth around 98 million years ago, playing a role in the prehistoric food chain. Lambelosaurus, a dinosaur from the Middle Jurassic, had a large head and walked on 2 legs. Weighing around 1 ton, it lived in Europe. This carnivorous predator likely hunted herbivores. Megalosaurus, though ferocious, played a role in the ancient ecosystems of around 166 to 150 million. Microraptor, a small dinosaur from the early Cretaceous, had feathers and long flight feathers on its arms and legs. Weighing around 2 pounds, it lived in what is now China. This carnivorous creature likely hunted small animals and insects. Microraptor, with its bird-like traits, existed around 120 million years ago, showcasing early feathered dinosaurs. Oviraptor, from the late Cretaceous, was a small, bird-like dinosaur with a beak. Weighing around 75 pounds, it lived in what is now Asia. Though its name means egg thief, Oviraptor likely ate plants and eggs. This creature, with its unique appearance, roamed the Earth approximately 75 million years ago. Parasaurolophus, a dinosaur with a crest on its head, lived in North America about 76 million years ago. Weighing around 4 tons, it was a gentle herbivore, using its beak to eat plants. Parasaurolophus coexisted with other dinosaurs during the late Cretaceous period, contributing to the diverse prehistoric landscapes. Protoceratops, a dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period, was a small, herbivorous creature. Weighing around 400 pounds, it had a beaked face and frill. Dwelling in what is now Mongolia, it peacefully roamed the ancient deserts. Despite its appearance, Protoceratops was a gentle dinosaur, not ferocious, munching on plants for survival. Spinosaurus, a dinosaur from the late Cretaceous, had a long crocodile-like snout and a sail on its back. Weighing up to 20 tons, it lived in North Africa. This carnivorous giant thrived in river habitats, likely hunting fish. Spinosaurus, though fearsome, was adapted to its watery environment around 112 to 93 million years ago. Stegosaurus, a dinosaur with plates on its back and sharp tail spikes, lived in North America about 155 million years ago. Weighing around 5 tons, it was a gentle herbivore, using its small head to eat plants. Stegosaurus peacefully roamed during the Jurassic period, leaving its unique mark on prehistory. Tyrannosaurus, a dinosaur from the early Cretaceous, featured a long tail and slender body. Weighing around 1,000 pounds, it inhabited North America. This herbivorous creature thrived in woodlands, consuming plants. Tyrannosaurus, likely gentle, contributed to the prehistoric world around 115 million years ago, sharing the landscape with other dinosaurs. Thanks for joining our dino adventure, little pals. We've had a blast exploring the amazing world of dinosaurs together. From gentle herbivores to fierce predators, each dino had its own special tale. Keep being curious and discovering new things. If you loved our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more awesome educational videos. Until next time, happy exploring!